Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be explaining how to integrate x squared plus x to the power of a half. Now this is a past paper question, so I'm going to help you answer it. If you don't know how to integrate a tool, I would highly recommend my integration video, which I'll link down below. This is just going to be a nice introduction to integration and give you a bit more detail on what integration is, although I will be helping explain it in this video also, but it might be a bit more of a complex question to start with your integration. So starting with the integration of x squared plus x to the power of a half with respect to x. So I think it's important to work with one component at a time to not overcomplicate anything. Starting with the x squared, as we do with integration, we have 1 to the power and then divide by the new power. So this is going to give us x cubed over 3. Because we had x squared, we added 1 to the power and then divided by the new power. So it's x cubed over 3. Next we're dealing with x to the power of a half. So first thing we want to do is add 1 to the power. That's going to give us x to the power of 3 over 2. And then we divide it by the new power, which is 3 over 2. So it's going to be x to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Cool? Hopefully that makes sense. And then we add a plus c because whenever you integrate, you create an unknown constant. If you don't know what a constant is, it's just a set number like 5, 3, or 7, or whatever it is. In this case, it's an unknown, but that's fine. You could just leave it as plus c. So next line. We are deciding to flip the 3 over 2 and exchange it for times 2 over 3. So you can see the x cubed over 3 is the same, but for the x to the power of 3 over 2, we're timesing it by 2 over 3 instead of dividing it by 3 over 2, just because this is going to be a lot easier to write out. And when you're timesing or dividing by a fraction, you can flip it upside down, and then it will reverse the function. So for example, let's say you're dividing by 3 over 2 like we are. If you flip it, then it's going to be times in by 2 over 3. And that's just a little hack you can use when you're rearranging equations. Plus c is obviously still there, so this is going to give us x to the power of 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3 x to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. Cool? And if you want to make it look a little bit neater, or it's up to you, you can leave it like this, but you can put it all over 3 because the x cubed is over 3 and so is the 2x to the power of 3 over 2. So we have x plus 2x to the power of 3 over 2 all over 3 plus c. So you can write it like that. So hopefully that made sense. Hopefully it was clear. If you do have any comments or questions, drop them down below. I really hope this helped, and best of luck with your maths.